Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post on the CoinMarketCap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the community button down below on the right side corner, and then click on the pencil icon on the right side corner again, and then you should type in your post. You can set bullish or bearish and tap on the post button down below. As you can see, it has been submitted. So as you tap on your profile, you will be able to check out your post. It is here in the post section. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.